The human society has experienced the fishing and hunting civilization, agricultural civilization, industrial civilization, and has proceeded toward the ecological civilization. The social changes, cultural evolution, gather and diffusion of humankind all begin with the development of transportation. Tires, as the carriers of modern transportation, have promoted the human civilization toward a better future with the power of technology. Triangle is glad to be in company with you. The haul trucks can be frequently seen in mines around the world. They have transported precious resources underground to people worldwide continuously. Those huge monsters are equipped with Triangle Jumbo Radial OTR tires. Triangle tires can easily handle 300-ton loads, complicated and tough road conditions, and 24 hours of continuous high-speed operation. Hut of Inner Mongolia has one of the largest open-pit coal mines in China. Here, efficiency is productivity. Together with the miners, Triangle have created many new records in the exploitation of high-quality raw coals and have brought warmth and light to the world. The temperature of a Russian Siberia permafrost zone is as low as -50 degrees Celsius in winter, while the world's largest diamond mine, Arosa, is located here, and its giant shape can be seen from the space. And Triangle has participated in the creation of the miracle. Australia, the magical country on mining trucks. This great continent is rich in iron resources. Triangle tires have brought here higher efficiency, better technical support and service. This is a high-speed railway under construction. 900-ton girder has been grasped by giant beam hoister easily and stably installed. Triangle tires have left the tracks with the constructors that they fought for the high-speed railway network with the world's biggest size and the highest operation speed. Triangle tires have made full use of their advantage, no matter at the construction site or the mine. Triangle has devoted to integrating the technology and patience into every tire for mining, transportation, and construction. Since it has won the first prize of National Science and Technology Progress Award in 2008, Triangle has become one of the 4 radial OTR tire brands in the world. The development of transportation brings new vehicles for human and makes the connection between different civilizations closer. So that civilizations get unlimited extension and integration. The tracks left by Triangle tires can be found on the roads of more than 180 countries and regions in the whole world. Triangle tires have passed the tests of long-distance travel, extreme environment, and harsh road conditions and provided the safe, economic, stable, comfort transportation guarantee to people in the world. Chile, the world's longest country in topography. It crosses 38 latitudes, 7 climate types, and the magnificent Andes, dry Atacama Desert, alpine tundra, and glaciers in south have made the road for quality practice of Triangle tires. Xinjiang of China has been the intersection of the Oriental and the Western civilizations since the ancient times. Horgus is the important post of the ancient Silk Road and also the vital post of the Belt and Road. As the herald of logistics and trades, Triangle Tires have transported the various materials, resources, equipments, and consumables, shuttling through the vast land in China and Eurasia, and constructing the Golden Bridge for peace and development. Urumqi, 670 kilometers away from Horgus. City buses and intercity buses are equipped with Triangle tires, taking people from the world to experience the local conditions and custom of the western regions and ancient cities, and appreciate the beauty of the integration of Oriental and Western civilizations. It is the mission of school bus to protect every child and make assurance to every family, and it is also the confidence of Triangle. There is one record card on every school bus equipped with Triangle tires. The service staff of Triangle will follow and check the utilization and wear conditions of tires. Triangle wishes everybody to protect the continuance of life and the future of the civilization. The world operated on the wheels continuously, and human beings enjoy the passion, pleasure, and the beauty on the wheels. A drift competition has launched in Osaka Stadium, Japan. The racing drivers and the audiences have experienced this unique moment. While the tires were under extremely harsh test, Triangle tires have remained steady conditions from the beginning to end, helping the drivers winning honors and cheers with their best performance. Sahara and Dakar in Africa can be heaven or inferno for people who are keen on motor racing. Triangle tires have represented China to participate in the Paris-Dakar Rally twice, crossing the cruelest road conditions in the world, challenging with the passion and the pride brought by the limit. Leaving the burning hot desert, now we move to the frozen Russia. In the suburban Moscow, people are engaging in the race. The excellent performances of Triangle snow and ice tires have provided a more reliable controllability and a safer speed, so that every racer can enjoy the match. Ivalo in Finland, the tire proving ground in the northern end of the Earth, test world is located. The magnificent Aurora Borealis reminds every visitor that they have reached the deep of the Arctic Circle. Triangle snow and ice tires have been put into market after they have experienced harsh test here. US, the country on wheels, owns the world's most advanced interstate highway system and a vast amount of travelers who are keen on driving. Triangle tires have always been with them. The advanced low heat buildup, low rolling resistance formulation, and the design of the multi-pitch and the noise reduction pattern have made the travel safer, quicker, and more comfortable. The high-quality Triangle car tires make driving a pleasure. On the rolling wheels, people enjoy the pleasant time of their life. Every tire of Triangle has contained the passion, love, and commitment of Triangle people, in accord with the core value of integrity, innovation, diligence, and caring for people, and integrating every links, including the research and development, construction, sales, and service through the power of technology. Triangle tires are marching smoothly in the whole world. The 3 science and technological platforms, including state-level R&D Center, state-level Industrial Design Center, and National Engineering Laboratory with Triangle America R&D Center have built up a Triangle world-scale innovative system, attracting the technical elites and scientists from all over the world to dedicate in the progress of a rubber and a tire technology, and make the application of more new technologies possible. There are not only technologies and products, industrial standards and software are produced as well. Triangle has led an innovative road for China's tire industry. Triangle people know the meaning of productivity and have been devoted in constructing the intelligent, green and high-end new manufacturing mode. The deep integration of automation, informatization and robot technology, intelligent manufacturing and revolutionary technology achievements have redefined the factory and the work plant and made the production efficiency, manufacture precision, product quality and environment quality get great leap forward development. The development and application of smart tires will bring tremendous changes to automobile technology and human transportation, and the tire industry has entered into a brand new century. As the initiator and the practitioner of low-carbon and green development of China's tire industry, Triangle has considered the low-carbon factors into every link of the supply chain. The comprehensive utilization of the solar energy and the cyclic utilization of the water resources have greatly reduced the carbon emissions during the manufacturing process. Retreading the tires can make full use of the limited resources, materials and formulation design that can reduce the tire rolling resistance are helpful in reducing the oil consumption and emission of automobiles. Triangle will use the constantly innovative technology and better green materials, green technologies, and green products to serve the world market and fulfill the promise in Green Earth Declaration of Triangle, and build a wonderful future for ecological civilization. Triangle people know better the meaning of value chain. Wins the world with a good brand. Triangle has built overseas sales and service teams in America, Europe, Russia, India, Australia, and Central South America. It adopts the strategic layout of global presence and steps deeper into global market and provides better services to consumers. Triangle is dedicated to global cooperation, and the transnational enterprises such as Caterpillar, Volvo, Goodyear, General Motors, Chang'an, Nissan Group, Doosan, Hyundai have established relationship with Triangle. Other famous brands such as FAW, Dongfeng, Sinotruk, Tinglong, and Yutong have worked with Triangle on a win-win basis. Together with them, Triangle has constructed the Golden Bridge that connects every part of the world. On September the 9th, 2016, Triangle Tire was listed in Shanghai Stock Exchange and successfully became on board in Asia stock market, and this was a new start. Triangle people who carry the threefold mission of economic responsibilities, social responsibilities, and environmental responsibilities will make greater contribution to global economy and make further progress for human civilization. This is the development concept of Triangle: bring progress to the society and create civilization for human being. Let us pray together when the sun rises every day. May the human civilization live long and prosper as the wheels are rolling forever.